What's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing a little project on the car. Yesterday we received, well, 2 days ago we received the spacers and the locking nuts, as Audi calls them, for the car. So we're going to be changing those in on the Audi and giving them that little space which is supposed to give it the fender flush view. We got 12 millimeters in the front and 15 millimeters in the back, and they are the KSP, I think that's what it is, KPS or KSP spacers. Recommended. I seen them on TikTok, so it's just a little addition to the car. We'll go ahead and see how that changes the aspect of the wheels that it has, which I kind of like. But even though they look good, eventually this summer I'm going to change to a different style of wheels, more aggressive stuff like that. So let me get set up real quick, and then we'll go from there. Let's see. Oh man, this is all locked up over here. Oh, it's cold. Ooh, it's just cold as fuck. Alright, so this is the locking nuts that I got. They're extended and they're black too, so should be dope. And then the spacers are these ones, KSP. These are I believe these are the 12s. Let's see. It doesn't say. It says 12T there. And then it says 12 millimeter. Oh, I just showing the tire size, but it's not saying which ones they are. So let's go from there. These are the wait, what? It says H12. What the hell? Let's check this one over here. Hope they didn't send me the wrong ones, man. They're stuck together. These are literally stuck together. What the fuck? See if I can pull them apart with a key. What the fuck? Okay. H15. They say 12.7 millimeters. That's what it says. Okay, I see what's 66. Okay. So these are the 15s, 15 millimeter, and those are the 12s, and those are nuts. So I'm gonna set up the car real quick, and then we'll go from there. Right here. So that's how it sounds stock. So right now when we pick it up, we're gonna see if it's still stuck under there with the resonators and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna move the car up a little bit so that way we could work on it. I'm gonna do the driver's side first on the other side. I wonder how I'm gonna do it. But let me put the camera over here. And now we're gonna put this shit over here. So before I do it, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So this is what the wheel gap looks like in the back. Pretty close. Pretty close here. And then in the front, it's just barely there. Actually, we should just do the camera on the front. Looks pretty much. that shit off. Ooh, it's cold. There we go. I think I'm about to just get rid of all this shit, man. These little caps are garbage. It's like this Audi bullshit. They're caps. Take forever to fucking take off. So I went ahead and took off the wheel. And this is a big ass brake. I'm not gonna lie. I never seen something so big. This is ridiculously huge. Look at this fucking thing. It's huge as fuck. Holy shit, is this thing big. Holy smokes, this thing is crazy. This gives me an opportunity to see in here. Make sure everything's good. But holy smokes, is this shit big. What the fuck? Look at this shit. That's my hand. What the fuck? Holy shit. So I finally got to the back. And this is the disc for the rear. It's actually still big, but the brake caliper is actually smaller. It's a little dirty, so I'm gonna take advantage of it being back here already. I'm gonna clean that up real quick. But the rotor is still huge. It's huge. I never seen something this big. But I found what the issue was in my car. It has a sensor issue in the front. The sensors seem to have ceased and they're stuck in position, and you gotta help them. But you can see I still have a lot of brake, stuff like that. I'll give you an opportunity to see how flush this looks. Well, you can't really see it until I lay it down, but even now you can tell how it looks, that it's gonna be flush. I got 12 in the front, and I'm about to put a 15 millimeter in the back. And this is the and put some stuff on here so that way. This is the spacer. This is the 15 millimeter KSP, and basically You just line it up. Ugh. Line it up. And there it is. You just put the wheel in there and pop it on.